In this video I'm going to show you how to reduce video file size for exporting. Now to export this sequence, click this sequence, go to file, export media. Now here where you want to save your file, now go to the video, scroll down, see here to BBRP1, BBRP2, okay, BBRP1, and see here is default payload targeted bitrate is 10. Okay, I am going to reduce the size. It means I will add here 5. Okay, see the file size is 9 megabyte, or hopefully you can add 6. Okay, the file is 23. See that if there is 10, the original file size is 38 megabyte. And I want to add here 5. I hope 5 and 6 is okay, not lose your quality. Then export. Okay, then export. Hope this helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.